Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan. Today we bring you a very serious update starting with breaking news from Abyei. Before we proceed with this update, I would like you to support the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. According to the report, on Monday evening, which is October 6, 2025, heavy gunfire broke out inside the SSPDF Tiger Division Unit station in Athony near Abyei box. According to reliable report, at least 14 soldiers, including 2 police officers, were killed and 5 others seriously were injured. The clash did not involve rebel or external enemies. It was an internal fight among the SSPDF soldiers themselves. They say the violence began when a second lieutenant shot and killed a captain, accusing him of having an affair with his wife. This personal dispute turned deadly within minutes. Soldiers opened fire on each other and the chaos lasted for hours. Lieutenant General Bawa Jamus confirmed the incident. He said calm has now been restored, but the damage is already done. More than 400 former SPLIO soldiers deserted their position in Athony and surrounding areas following the fighting. The SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, spokesperson Major General Luray Kong said investigations are underway. Meanwhile, SPLIO spokesperson Colonel Lampol Gabriel has reported that tension between two sides remain high, even though guns have fallen silent. Medical officials at Mayen Abun Hospital say 5 of the wounded soldiers are still in critical condition. This breaking news shows how fragile the situation is inside South Sudan Army, and how mistrust can explode into deadly violence in just a few minutes. What do you think? Should internal army disputes like this be handled differently before they escalate? Leave us your thought in the comment section. This shocking incident in Abyei is just one example of the wider crisis in South Sudan. It happened at the same time that the body responsible for monitoring the peace deal, the reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission, known as RJMEC, warned that the 2018 peace deal is on the verge of collapse. At the force reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission extraordinary meeting held in Juba, the interim chairperson, Ambassador Major General George Aggrey Owino, said the peace deal is facing its most serious challenge since it was signed in 2018. He urged IGAD, Intergovernmental Authority in Development, the African Union, the United Nations, and international partners to step in immediately. His message was clear: unless urgent action is taken, the revitalized peace agreement or reconstituted joint monitoring may collapse completely. And if that happened, all the program made since 2018 could disappear overnight. Think about it. A year of hard work, countless meetings, and many compromises could vanish if mistrust continues. Ambassador Owino listed several problems that are putting the peace deal at risk. First, political and security tension between the SPLM, SPLAIO, and the government. Second, lack of trust between the leaders, with unilateral decision being made instead of inclusive consultation. Third, the institutions created under the agreement are not functioning properly. Fourth, the delay in forming one unified national army. Still, these issues, he warned, are creating a dangerous situation where mistrust is eroding. The political will need to move forward. Let me ask you, our viewers, do you believe these leaders can rebuild trust, or is mistrust already too deep? Share your opinion in the comment below. The reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission chair also recall the tragic incident in Nasser County, Upper Nile State on March 7th. In that clash, a senior SSPDF general and a UNMISS helicopter crew members were killed. The government reacted by arresting opposition leaders, including first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, and even RJMEC members, the reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission. This was a turning point. In response, SPLA-IO withdrew its representative from key monitoring bodies such as the Ceasefire and Transitional Security Arrangement Monitoring and Verification Mechanism, or CITESAM. When one side pull out of monitoring, it is like removing the referee in the middle of tense football match. The players are left to fight without rules, and the peace process stall. A recent reconstituted Joint Monitoring, or RJMEC, audit show that many transitional institutions are not working as they should. Responsibility sharing is being ignored. Governance is weak and parties are not cooperating. Instead of inclusive dialogue, leaders are making unilateral decisions. This weakened the peace roadmap and deepening mistrust among political actors. Ambassador Owino also pointed to the growing humanitarian crisis. Insecurity combined with seasonal flood has destroyed infrastructure and blocked aid delivery. Hospitals have been damaged and food supply chain have been cut. Ordinary citizens are paying the price. The suffering is rising. Well, reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission made several key recommendations to rescue the peace process. Number one, stop hostilities immediately. And number two, return to inclusive dialogue. Number three, reactivate transitional institutions. And number four, respect the permanent ceasefire. Ambassador Owino appealed to the parties, restore trust in the peace agreement and prevent South Sudan from sliding back into war. And now the United Nations has joined RJMEC in sounding the alarm. Anita Kiki, Deputy Special Representative of the UN Secretary General, addressed the RJMEC meeting, the reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission. Her message was very clear. The revitalized peace agreement is the only framework for peace in South Sudan. There's no alternative. Anita said that. She outlined three urgent concerns. Number one, deteriorating security, including aerial bombardment and direct violence between the main parties. Second, deepening political division, worsened by the hours arrest of Dr. Machar and SPLMIO officials since March 2025. Third, humanitarian catastrophe with displacement, restricted access, and rising food insecurity. The UN Human Rights Office recorded a 59% increase in civilian casualties this year compared to last year. According to the report, they said over 321,000 people have been newly displaced in 2025, not counting refugees coming in from Sudan. Humanitarian access is collapsing with 70 access incident by September, more than double compared to September 2024. Anita Kiki warned that without urgent action, South Sudan could face a full-scale food and nutrition disaster. Miss Abyei stressed that the challenges are man-made, political, and solvable only through dialogue. She called for an immediate return to constructive dialogue and a consensual plan for exiting the transitional period. And thirdly, she said, protection of aid worker and humanitarian corridors. Her statement was firm. The revitalized peace agreement remains the only framework. There's no alternative. What do you think? Do you agree with the UN that there is no alternative to the peace deal? Let us know your view in the comment. So what do we see when we put all these events together? Ken konon yam Kenyam mi jiram di gwas me ban kulo karach gorojen o jendere chano dere support. Mi jiram jidit ko gorojin bi subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan ko mete kamishi bare ba shwa mala shu be kaje gwasa dan en paylarage to kon ka lere to go to the kon ka link kabum ka bej bane ka jan lere me lere ni am bana link bana re kan chitwo tiang kien wale bana je linkel re lere kana me bana roache ka kume SPLA yo kana kume SSPDF ko jom chalat gwasme ken kono ni am jira me jidit gwasme gore jen ojin dere subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mete mishi bare da shwa mala shu be kaje ken ya mamal an walle shang ka baro ka paywal ron kin dang ro jen dang ro de ka jom chalat gwasme wate ka korm chitwo ka doran shal ka Abyei administrative an kormo to ka je lat ka tiang lapan Jaladen wo kurmu di chatwok gwan mi shamete di chak dwetin ko kurmo watwoga kam deni SSPDF Tiger Unit Station in Aton near Abyei la SSPDF Tiger Division kenete kontin kurmo chatwoka ke gwadan tiket re kalien ka doreshal ka Aton near Abyei ke report and shanon gwasame according to reliable report jom shalat chalade wona ne shade ne dangwel ngwan shaka ne gare koromo de ne SSPDF kam dien karodian chinye ne ken ke de ne SPLA yo ko joran shalat ke jen ke de ne SSPDF Tiger Division Unit men chalat doran chalka Aton men tie ka Abyei cha jomo cha jalat men chalat gwasame kene dangwel ngwana shanak ke dina SSPDF ke Tiger Division jalade no ne dangro ka police officer ken chakanak kene dang DH ti chamu ka board ka jo chalat gwasame tele kuma SPLA yo tele jetetten a internal fight kam SSPDF ka Tiger Division karwade tele kuma SPLA yo me chalat tene me Chaladen wo gwad danan to rectin wa second lieutenant wa chajenak and gwad money chalado second lieutenant charanak chejenak mo jen charan chejenak che captain chejenak captain mo cheje gwanyen wo che captain chegde cheje dom ke cheje twach ngai koning de ni jen cha chegde chaje kan ude chal kamo ki ude captain mo ne ajen gwad danan to goten wami che mai kana che de mo che berde je SSPDF men te ka kel ko te kel gwat kel mon an gwad mon wa chu de ni rodien chu barkan dia ajen mi jak de ni ti shokko wel wan ko bili woni kare dia na wate de te polin dang raw tikatin chu liya mo chu to gono no Lieutenant General Peter Bawa Jamus chela do ne shirega me che to ajen en tama bo shi pincha roda palpin gwaldan ci ko ci tokten kam SSPDF korodien ke kwichek mi chadom ram kel ka captain ci lieutenant na mo ci kul loide kule jat ko jan cha ci cha kan ci captain ci shon na ka jan gwaldan ci korodien ci barare gwata mon ci kan dial ci liu ka joran chalat ke jan chalare wona ne ci de ni to kudangwan ti la GSPLIO former SPLIO soldier de ni to kudangwan wa chicken gwa the mo men chal ka ton chicken ban pin no na ka kor ke me chi kor chet wok kan de ni kudang wana to wa charen bar no ka ji aspila yu no wal bat ken chi ka kula uti idea chi ko ka de ni asas pdf ko gwa de dan bar tam chala do ken shikarian watch gwa de dan chi kor chet wok ten wa ke former aspila yu mo no shi ka ji aspila yu du no ke former ne ken lo shi ka kona ji aspila yu shi kula ti ai dong me dong de ka ti ai de kula ko ku me aspila yu dong de ra kula jen tem gwa de shari po cha kul no shikarodian bar ka de wa SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lul Ray Kong chalado na katin they are underway investigating the event wa tiken tin content man to kor shikaman shangai ni wono kor wa to kwinya me shakan gudu mo cha chigde cha kana captain che chunak cha jo mo cha jala no ngot Major General Lul Ray Kong ram dan la SSPDF ma la ka kwi de ni SSPDF wa ngode letken investigation gwa dan che ke prokten kakuma SPLIO spokesperson anchual ke Colonel Lampol Gabriel mela raki kui SPLIO chelado ne jene chi korche to kala tok kam din dangro jeni mantame jeno ngode te terwal tetin so mo nyodo tam me chala de Colonel Lampol Gabriel nyod jeno lershi kuma SPLIO kene kume SSPDF lo cha wo kam din ke cha roda wet ko me chala no former SPLIO chika ji SPLIO but ke SSPDF don de kularo don chika rodian we ko cha oni ti kudang wan charen watch and when mo gwaden shiriki to ten ke SSPDF Tiger Division unit ka jena be box mo ka aton munyon de no ne dite chika no kuch ka kuma SPLIO but kan detail kan kalat shinede kontila medical official ne de kontila doctor kama yen abun hospital kala do ne de ni dang die cha ka mo ka bot kare belwal wa kan take critical condition bo lo take re ka mudi long ka jodan chalat kwasme nyu de konu rewi ka South Sudan ngure telamal so ne me jen man dong de yen kan nyam la laranyam lera do dien ka kor ka mi shikori etore which in winimi take a job chalat kwasme an essential ke reconstituted joint monitoring mechanism and evaluation commission waken chike extraordinary meeting chicken latre wiki juba wati interim chairperson amdan la kwar kajan RJMEC ambassador Major General George Agre Owino wajen shalado wonene jeni peace deal ke male dane shatan jeni take challenge to co face male shatan kurun kin dangro badak chalada wo mala teme jega mal ko collapse senating council jigat intergovernmental authority and development ka Africa Union ke United Nation ke international partner jaga jogo no dera gwalung no dum de yen mal stebin ko de yen wo de yen mal me de yen jako der let ko teme jen jeng mal ka no telum de yen mata George jomo che jalat wa message dan je to ke right dan chalat very clear achana jogo no ne mishi yen reptile peace agreement me mishi ajibu malat kishi abu mal stable genetin kontin la Africa Union EGAT United Nation kana international partner mishi abu malutin be reptile peace agreement ajen jeda na ba chu collapse jaga jogo no gor jen obia mal bi ajen non ko de 2010 peace agreement tayi chana let ka je bum ka kor runi chaja de be yar ka ron kel karware ki ka metot ka chana letin ka kor gwan ber jaga jogo no yender gwano de yen mal stebin ko de yen mal mo de yen rescue ke de yen gor no de yen gan ko chabijek a chikan jo mo chikan lat shi ambassador Owino chala do ne ajeni re we ka South Sudan te correct one to chorian lat several problem tin jak peace ko be jek enona ajeni men yam gaga dana to ka ki political kana security tension not to kam kuma SPLIO kana kuma SSPDF la kuma kirmi yadit rewre charajen wone ne jening til ngaka ka kan bondang ro no ramro da moy ke decision da be ran unilateral decision be jakan lamu chigunje no gwa ka ji and then be implement chit ka tin kon ngai kon lat ko rodien che wona me kel jam mal ko be jeg boni mar dien che la do ne la dio di jene ne Any institution created under the agreement are not functioning properly. They contain lakpin ki ngote cha yampin la principally between the peace agreement washikan la cha kapel ngwandien ajani delay mane shalat ko the unified national army de jalat gwakel de ka form jana me jak mal ko jen be jiak ki mal ba jangar ngar so the security show can contain yar kamal ka jodan chalat gwasmene chenyolat gwasme kwi RJMEC reconstituted George monitoring and evaluation commission chalat wonene Janeman Larik Janene, a Tarik Medan Chitwok, we can Nasser County, whether she coached Wokton Kapanal, Kashanga Barrow, Kapai Dok, whether she SSPD up chicken in tin, KD, KJ, and where Army. No. Can when me make call me oniam no shalad o win on one charam kel kaji miss majel helicopter crew to a year to a jabat catch a general to a janak and a more ne take conte de na mede jalat chalado can see the sum but you see the sum can kaladian can lat and ceasefire and transitional security arrangement monitoring and verification mechanism near see the sum a Canadian content de la mede jalat but chika fail ko bi kalan mission me bi kana lat so na mo jamal jako batede ba jek ka jordan gwase me men cha nyok mlat ke no chinaro jawone ne en wo bi mal be ben gor ga jen wo de kore kap chong antama de na lu ko de na ro de dialogue de jalat de mental ke transitional institution de nyok men lek ke je no kane dialogue de kan ceasefire de kan respect as ambassador we know cha jo mo cha jilari no jena gwa obna bugurin ngat ko de malder ben otherwise bugun which kam we jek cha jo mo cha jalat ka jo mo den mishalat gwa seme GUN no la ji United Nations waken chikamat ke ji RJMEC chikan jo ma chikan la wone ne ching mishal ka Anita Kiki jene deputy special representative KGUN secretary general chajo chajalat gwadan da ana bulka dolten RJMEC meeting rewike juba ka jo michala chela do ne jene reply peace agreement ma le da ne cha ta okay jene dumulo keje dara gwalen chawe jen the only way and will be mal jene there is no another alternative there's no alternative ki tele mo do dien mi bu mal be bene keje gero ba loni je reply peace agreement dan bar ngay kon yalla no reply peace agreement chaje ya ka jo mo chalat gwasme jenen tam security situation ket ko do budanan kwa guard kwa ne ke je krin yalli no ki kwa opposition group kwa ka maka helicopter je wena me kel mi ber concerning ko shimal che de ben ray wo ka South Sudan ko buka na krin yalli je nyola do wonene che wo do budan sinare nda ke je ki yin dana cha da kuma cha yin ka je Allah da kuma cha awsares yen ne me yera male dana cha ta ke twine tin long yen yen re kuma cha da kuma cha and SPL IO official ka do badan cha yin ga je ka pai dok jela da no ne me kelm la mystic ko ba mal be je peno ba ben amana dien che we humanitarian catastrophe rega dan je ka ne kontila ji humanitarian ka loga dan de kan to kan ne content cha displays kan ne content chuch jene ne me kelm be be long ko ci kon ci kan ne content kule chuch no ci kan jo mo ji kan lat kan tama ci UN human right office ci kan record no 59% ka civilian wa kan chuch kan long compare ka tai dan ci chuok metar kenen tama ne tishop ke 321,000 people no kene to pay displays ke tajo jen tamre wika South Sudan ke jen 2025 for me lo len kene ne te tar kene de tene bone chaga mat ko refugees ko kene to pay displays ko mut ke ken ya refugees ke jorana chalat teach create ken kon de kon keli chicken la do ne gorga jen wo mal derben but kume men tikem yadi ten they are not ready. So what do we see when we put all these events together? In Abyei, mistrust inside the army led to the deaths of 14 soldiers. In Nasser, clash killed a general and a UN staff members and weakened peace monitoring. At the national level, institutions are failing and leaders are not working together. RJMEC, or Reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission, warned that the peace deal could collapse. The UN insists that this peace deal is the only way forward. This message is clear. South Sudan is at the crossroad. The future depends on whether leaders choose mistrust and division or dialogue and cooperation. Here at Changfied YouTube channel news, we will continue to follow this story closely. Thank you for watching. Please share your thought in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.